Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video I will show you how you start with Kivymd. First of all, go to File Explorer and choose a specific folder where you want to start with your project. Now I choose this folder development, Python development, and now I already created a folder called Kivymd. Now I simply remove it and start with your first project. Now click on it and after that type CMD and press enter. When CMD is open, now type code dot. After press enter, when you press enter, VS Code window is opening here. Now our VS Code window is opening. Now after that, you will do it. First of all, write on click on this file and create new file. So I give this file a name. I give it name as first. Do give it name as per your chance. First.py and then press enter. After pressing enter, so next thing what I do is go to terminal and new terminal. Click on new terminal. After that, type command here pip install Kivymd. After that, press press enter. And you see requirements already satisfied. I already installed Kivymd in our application. Now you simply go to this website kivymd.reader.start.io and everything you related to know about Kivymd you find here. Now after that we write our first Kivymd application. Now simply I copy this code and use this here. After that when I click it and sorry rename, that's why I one error in application. After that test.py. Now right click on it and click on run Python file in terminal. When it executes, after that a new display is open. Now you see my first KVMD project is ready and output will be shown in another window. Now you see my first KVMD project is created. Hello World project is created using KVMD. Now see you in next video.